Hi friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Now today in this video we will be painting a geometric design with acrylic paints. Now a geometric design is nothing else, you just have different shapes, lines, curves which are combined together to produce a creative result. As you see here, I do not have a pattern. I am just following, what I feel like. I wanted a random design. Though you can have parallel lines, you can have squares, circles, anything you wish like to be more systematic. I chose to go random. Similarly for the colors as well, I did not choose a color theme. So once my paper is all prepped, I chose the colors I thought best, or if I wasn't happy with it, I just blended them together. And I am going to paint each section one by one. Also, because I want a really bright painting, I want random colors to be there, a variety of them. I am going to use one color in maximum of two or three sections, no more than that, because I want to use more than two or three colors. Now this is a watercolor paper. I am using acrylic paints. So you can choose to go ahead and paint on an acrylic pad. However, a watercolor paper would work same, because a watercolor paper is actually designed not to bleed through when it's used. So because of that, it's absolutely okay to use acrylic paints on watercolor paper too. Now as for the washi tape here, as I said, I wanted a random design, so I'm using it to section my colors. Now when I will remove it, you will see there will be a clean white line, a gap between the colors. That is what my aim is for. Though I want to mention here, the technique for painting, it's very simple. Choose your color and just paint the section. It's very easy. However, just make sure of one thing, that your strokes, when you are painting, may it be on a wall or on your canvas or on paper, whenever you are using this particular design, all you have to see is the strokes are going inwards. Like you see, I start from the washi tape and then I am going to the center of my box. Now by this you just eliminate the the possibility of the run of the color bleeding through. So when I do this, I am not taking a lot of water. I don't want my paper to be very saturated. I am just taking enough for me to have a smooth application. But every time it is from the washi tape to the inside of the box and not the other way around. Again, this is just because I want a neat finish. I want the edges to be really crisp. I want the lines to be sharp, and I want a finished look. I don't want to go ahead and add another color in between those caps. I don't really want to do that. Although it's not a bad idea. Maybe I can try it out. You can add a gold. I'm getting a bit carried away. Anyways, so this is the gist of it. Just make sure of two things, that your strokes are going to be to the inside of your box, and that you're using a good quality paper, a heavy duty paper, if possible acid free. That is just going to help your entire finished look. It's going to make sure that your end product stays with you longer. It doesn't fade over time and all those things. So now that all your sections are complete, please take a step back, look at the colors, because this literally is the last time you will be looking at them, because it's all done. And now all that's left is for you to let it dry, and then the big finish we will be revealing. So at the moment it looks like this, but don't be alarmed. Once it's completely dry and you take off your washi tape, again, it's gonna look so neat and perfect. And I actually love this design. I did it for my girls' room, and it just brightens up the entire room. And it is so easy. You don't have to worry about anything. You can be as messy as you want. In fact, for children's room, if you want, you can even go ahead and add different elements to each section. You want to put more patterns rather than just the colors. Some of the sections can be parallel lines or circles. There are so many possibilities that you can do. It is such a versatile design, and this is the finished product. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you with another video next time. Please stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.